Oh, he's in between the fence, Kyle. Come on, tough boys. Go for it. Oh.
Mom, he was coming after me with that.
He don't care what you do to him. It's his women. Don't mess with his women.
Hey, dude!
That's what it is, as long as they're all right.
Oh, if I went up to him, I would go.
No, he's scared of you now a little bit. He's done got scared of you.
He ain't scared of doing. He ain't scared of that.
Now that's his favorite woman right there. You mess with her and you gonna get it. Woo! Woo!
Rock!
Look.